front of me is HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by deciding which apps you wanna use in this view, opening one of them and launching it in the background like that. Now you need to open this one in pop-up view first. To do that, click on this icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Home button to minimize your window and select the second app. Now tap on Tiny Window, and finally to enter split screen, hold this line at the top of pop-up view window and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see gray area, let go and enjoy using your apps in split screen. If you wanna go back from split screen view, you can either go into background apps and swipe both, or hold those three dots in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then close the remaining one by tapping on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!